When I mention the words 19-year-old blonde, what do you think of? That's right, a mayoral candidate. Her name is Morgan Baskin, and if everything goes crazy at the polls on October 27th, she could be Toronto's next mayor. I've watched a bunch of your interviews, and a lot of the older media have been treating you like a kid. What's their deal, yo?
Well, I think that older people sometimes have a very stereotypical version of young people, and so they treat me according to their idea of young people as opposed to how young people actually are.
That's whack. What music are you listening to these days?
Today was some Taylor Swift.
Oh, me too, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
You ever drop the N-word?
No.
Oh, good for
No.
you. Must be nice. Like it or not, you're a politician now. Any skeletons in the closet?
Well, sometimes I wear crop tops on weekends, so.
But there's nothing else? Like, I don't want to assume because you're young you haven't had time to do some horrible No reefer at all? Little puff puff pass? None of that?
No.
No secret family that
Sometimes
we don't...
I jaywalk, actually.
And that's not cool. Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Oh, well, okay. Now, youthful optimism and ideals are great if you live in Equestria, but here, in the non-My Little Pony world, they don't win elections. It was time to bring Morgan down to earth. Let's pretend for a moment I'm your campaign manager. You can't afford me, but let's just pretend.
Okay.
How do we convince those Etobicoke slobs to vote Baskin?
First of all, by not using that kind of terminology.
Etobicoke? Okay, what do we call them?
No, Etobicoke slobs is not the way to go about that.
What about a barbecue?
You know, I think that's one way to go about it.
You're not a vegan, are you?
I'm vegetarian, yeah.
Oh, that was my best idea. As a fake journalist, I must remain neutral, but I will tell you what I tell every candidate I interview. You got my vote.
That's great, thank you.
For the 8 o'clock news, I'm Paul Lemieux.